Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Michael McGill. I'm happy you're here with me today. So, in this video, which is kind of old, this video is from sometime in May, probably late May. And again, I am doing a bulletin board for the students at my place of employment. This is one of those encouragement boards where we are, trying to cheer the students on. And the theme was birds and bird sounds and the sounds that different types of birds make. So what I'm doing here is I am putting the words on cards, and I thought we'd play a little game with this. The letters are scrambled up. So if you want to play along, just sort of guess what bird sound I am spelling out on the cards. And at the end of the video, you will see the actual bulletin board display. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, please comment, please like, please watch the video, and I hope you like this. Thanks.
Have both been public about their support for trans people. And for traumatized detransitioners and vulnerable women reliant on single-sex spaces. Okay. Now keep in mind, of course. Making sure trans people can work and have a safe place to live and access the same About 2 or 3 weeks collectively at that time. Explorations. He says across the country.
Oh, 3%.
Yeah. Who knows?
If that's what she want to do, who knows? I just feel like if none of that really piques your interest, stay where you're at.
I know this is giving like Christmas colors, but when you see it with all the other colors, it won't really give off Christmas. I just haven't used a lot of the red construction paper, so I did want to get it in there, and I want it to be the dates for study finals week to be prominent. So I know the red and the green is going to pop. So that is why I'm using this color combination. Plus the white is going to break up the red and green connotation of Christmas colors. But I think this will be the only one possibly that I use the red and green colors. I just got a few more left to do. And then if any of these aren't the right size, the strips, I can cut those down tomorrow at work. So like for this one, I'm gonna need to cut it right here. But we got one of those little cutters at work with the arm. Or I think the one that I've been using is the one with the blade and it slides. So I'll be able to use that tomorrow. Instead of using scissors, I want these cuts to be more accurate. I cut all the letters with scissors because they're small, but for the backgrounds, I did want to cut those on the cutter. So I got my dates, and when I cut this, and this will go right up here. We'll have our dates. So that part is done. Now, the only part I got left to do is going to be all yellow, which is why I put on here neat yellow paper. And this seems like a lot because I just kind of cut everything, but what it's going to say for this part here, I have to look at my notes over here. It's going to say, help our students soar and propel to majestic heights for, and then it'll go into study finals week with the date. So this is what this part says, help our students soar and propel to majestic heights for. So all of these letters will be on yellow. So that's the last part I need to do. I'm going to take a little break, come back, get this finished. All right, for this, I'm gonna do 2 rows, and I'm just gonna try to fit these on here, and then I'll have to cut these later, and then I'll do the same thing on these sheets. So let's get started. I also got a clean piece of paper. The other one was getting quite sticky. These words don't have to be in order of how they'll be presented, because I'm going to be cutting them out anyway. Let's see what other word I can get from over here. Let's see. I think we got majestic. Let's see if I know how to spell majestic. I need an S. Majestic. Okay, I think I got everything. Majestic. Let's make sure before I put this down. Okay. I feel like I can get majestic across here. M-A-J-E-S-T-I-C. Yeah, let's go for it. It's one of the longer words. I'll put these kind of close together just to make sure I do have enough space. Gotta go check my phone because I am working remote today, and I hear the alerts. So I'm gonna take a quick break. Letter I can get to next. I feel like this right here is heights, so I think I can do heights. Get it out the way. All right, let's see if I have a small word that I can put here. I think I could do soar. Let's see if I can get soar right here. Oh, soar is A-S-O. Where's my A? Where's my A? Okay, I'm not seeing my A. Did I spell this incorrectly? Or am I just missing it? I usually don't make mistakes like this, but I do not see an A. Okay. Like, is it hiding? Okay, I don't see it. So, soar. If I'll put you over here, what else can we do? We can do help. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn the camera off and come back. Let you see the final results. gonna go through everything and make sure I didn't miss. I'm missing my word soar, but I can do that tomorrow. There's only one more thing I need to do for this display. Let me show you that real quick as I get organized. The other part that I need to do is I have these cutouts and I just need to glue them to a colored background. The theme is going to be different types of birds. So you got a duck. I'm going to put a different bubble in here to say something. Maybe it goes like this. And got an owl. Same thing. I'm gonna put something different there. Probably write encourage, cheer on, or something like that. And I got this little lady here, the bird talking to her. Got a crow on sitting on some books. This is our mascot. So yeah, I just need to take them to different colors for the background. So let me do that. Just start with this purple and let's see. We got Talon can go on here. If I can get multiple ones on same color, I don't think I've used purple too much. I'll try to get 2 on here. Let's get some glue on Talon. Talon is his name. And then I'll just go around and cut, just so it has a little bit more dimension than just putting it on there without a background color. So there's Talon. And I think this one is small enough where I can put, let me see, can I do, yeah, I think just do the bird. And then I can cut these out tomorrow. I don't have to do that today, although I may do it later. So that one's done. Let's see what other color. Let's do, I don't know, I like these pinks, so I'm gonna use one of these pieces of paper for the glue. Get rid of this. I'm thinking the girl on this will be cool, if you can see that. Oh, actually that's wrong. Yeah. So she'll be on the pink here. So go ahead and get her all glued up. I think she's the only one that's gonna be able to fit on here. I'm probably just gonna let this film until the camera dies, till the battery dies. While I do this, try to get those edges down. may go in with an X-Acto knife and take out these little pieces, or I may just leave it. Just got the little rubber duck left. Let's see what color. Let's go for the red. Got one more red here. Well, I think this is all that I'm going to do at this point. Of course, I will show you the finished bulletin board once I have it up at work. I think for now I'm going to take a break. I mean, like my lunch break. And yeah, there we go with that one. It's a little dark in here. But yeah, I'm going to take a break.